I'm David Gafford, and we're here at the Barbecue Lab today checking out the American Renaissance Grill cart. And we're going to do an unboxing to see what comes inside this box and how much assembly you need to do if you're going to put an American Renaissance grill on your back patio. First things first, let's cut open this box and see what's inside. Now this is what I like to see when I open a box for a grill for the first time. This thing is largely assembled. We don't have four walls that we have to go ahead and bolt together. There's not a floor that we have to bolt on. So let's go ahead and get this cut open so we can see exactly how much is assembled. But I have to admit, I am loving what I'm seeing here about how much is pre-assembled with the American Renaissance Grill cart. I find that the best way to get the cart out of this box is to go ahead and use the knife and cut open the corners of the box. All I'm going to do is I'm going to cut very lightly through here and not go very deep because I don't want to score the cart with the knife so that this basically just kind of falls open. All right, so we have it out of the box because the box is cut open. One of the things I like about this is I have the cardboard so I can go ahead and set the grill on its side when I need to put the wheels on. I have the cardboard already ready for that. So all I need to do now is grab the box that's inside of the parts, and I'll show you what's inside that box for parts, and it'll show us the steps we need to take to assemble this beauty. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this cardboard off and make sure these are out of the way. But then we need to get down here and get the parts box. And you'll notice the parts box, you'll notice it's taped to one of the front doors, and so you have to undo that tape a little bit. But here is our parts box. All right, inside we have the wheels and a set of instructions. So step one, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna assemble the wheels and put the wheels on the bottom of this. Now we already have the cart opened up so that there's cardboard to put it on. So we're gonna go ahead and take the wheels and put them on one at a time. This is a two-person job, so I have Melissa who's gonna assist me with this. All we wanna do now is just lay this down on its back. You ready? Make sure we have the cardboard behind it, which we do. And we're gonna go ahead and tilt this down really carefully on its back. Now that it's on its back, we need to go ahead and untape the four supports on the sides, and we're gonna start putting the wheels on. All right, according to the directions, we'll put the lock nut on first, then a washer on top, and once we have that set, we'll head down to the grill and put these on. Now that we have all four wheels on, it's time to stand the grill back up, so I'm gonna ask my assistant Melissa to come over here and help me stand this thing back up. And all you have to do is make sure that you brace the grill so it doesn't skid on you as you get it up, but this is really all there is to it. We have the grill standing back up, and now it's time to peel the film off of the outside before we put any of the handles on. And all you need to do is find a corner and peel till it's gone. One of the things that's really nice is that these side shelves are fully installed in the box, so they're already ready to go. All we have to do is get this film off, and I just find that if I just take my fingernail and pick at the edge of this, I can finally get a handle to grab onto where I can start to peel this film from across the entire grill. So this is the next step. Just take this, start peeling this film off, and then you'll be able to expose the gorgeous stainless underneath. We have all the film peeled off, and it's time to go ahead and put the handles on the drawers and the doors. I find it easiest to do this by taking the drawers completely out, because let me show you what we're working with here. If you look, there is a hole that you need to be able to stick your screw through to be able to get all the way into where the handle is. But what I don't want to have happen is I don't want my screw to fall through this hole and get stuck inside the door or the drawer. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and stick it all the way through the hole and find this other end of the hole where I can get it all the way through and then put the handle on that way. So I need to go all the way through first. Get it lined up like that. Then go ahead and put it into the handle. Now, I'm not going to tighten it all the way. I want to leave a little bit of space for me to have room to work with this next one as well. But here we go. I'm going to go ahead and take this, stick it through the hole, navigate until I find the other end of the hole I'm looking for. Here we go. Then get it into the handle, tighten it down, and we're in business. All right, now time for the door handle. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my screw and take it all the way through, just like I did on the drawer handles. Then take my handle and go ahead and thread it on. There we go. And I'll leave it loose so I have a little finagling room with the bottom. All right, to screw on the bottom handle, you need to go ahead and take this off. Then I have room to be able to put the screw on. And your handle is on. As you can see behind me, we've installed the 42-inch American Renaissance gas grill into the cart. And I'm just gonna say, it is a beautiful shot that you look at when you see those two things together. So if you're getting the cart, you're obviously getting the grill as well. All you need is 2 people to lift up the grill, and you just simply slide it in. Very, very easy installation. If you'd like to find out more about this cart or the grill that goes inside of it, check it out at rcsgasgrills.com, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.